Okay, yes, let's do it again. Welcome back to my channel, welcome back to my page. Welcome to another brand new series on my podcast. Kudzima Zero Podcast. I want to talk about something. I want to speak about something concerning this thing. Harare City Council. Harare City Council in this country of Zimbabwe, in this nation of Zimbabwe. Right. So to begin with, I would like to explain a bit. Because I've come to know, I've come to understand that a lot of people, they don't know and they don't understand what is Harare City Council. What does it do? Where is it found? This thing uh, by the name Harare City Council. So Harare City Council is in the country of Zimbabwe, in the capital city, Harare, in charge of everything to do the services, facilities to the residents or to the people in the city of Harare, in the town of Harare, or within the geographic area of Harare. So this uh, body, this governing body is called Harare City Council. The governing body or the administrative and management body is called Harare City Council, in charge of everything to do the services, facilities, uh, whatever is needed by the people of Harare, whatever is needed or wanted or desired by the residents of Harare. This management body, administrative body, this governing body will attend to such issues, will attend and cater for such needs to the residents of Harare, to the people of Harare. So this is called Harare City Council. Now, categorically speaking, or classically speaking, in terms of the structure, the organizational structure of this council, Harare City Council, it is made up of 46 councillors, 46 councillors, and it is presided by a mayor, or it is led, headed by a mayor, who is also assisted by a deputy mayor. So there's a mayor and a deputy mayor. Then we have the 46 councillors scattered around the whole territory of Harare, or the whole geographic area of Harare. For example, Harare North, Harare South, Harare Central. You talk of Mbare, you talk of Marlborough, Meberen, you talk of Sendosa, you talk of Dzwarasekwa, Kuadzana, Heathcliff, Borodale, Mavuk, Appleworth, Tafara. You talk of all these areas in Harare. As long the area, as long the space or the place is in Harare, it falls under the jurisdiction of Harare City Council. It falls under the eyes, under the overseership and monitoring of Harare City Council. So this is Harare City Council. Any area, as long in Harare, within the city or the boundaries of Harare, it falls under Harare City Council. So it's a governing body, it's an administrative body, it's a management body in charge of overseeing, monitoring, evaluating, and making decisions, public policy making, uh, being a decision maker, a policy maker on behalf of the residents of Harare, on behalf of the people of Harare, in terms of services, provision of basic services, provision of basic needs, provision of basic facilities or amenities or infrastructure that is wanted or needed by the people of Harare, by the residents of Harare. So this is what we call Harare City Council in the country of Zimbabwe, in the nation of Zimbabwe. I hope now you understand by this simple explanation, by this simple exposition. Now you know, now you understand what is Harare City Council. Only in the country of Zimbabwe, within the capital city of Zimbabwe, the town by the name Harare, the city by the name Harare. So that council will oversee, will monitor, will evaluate, will provide, will make policies, rules, and laws on behalf of the residents of Harare or people of Harare, like I said. And in terms of the organizational structure, like I said, 46 councillors, and each councillor is representing a ward across the whole breadth and width of Harare. And on top of the councillors, there's a deputy mayor. On top of the deputy mayor, there's a presiding mayor. There's a presiding mayor. So we have the mayor, and we have a deputy mayor, and we have the 46 councillors. So that's how it works. That's how it functions. That's how it operates in terms of the organizational structure, or in terms of the organogram of this body, or this management body, administration body, or this governing body, Harare City Council. A mayor, deputy mayor, and the councillors, 46 councillors. Each councillor, no matter the gender, a man or a woman, they represent a ward within the whole breadth and length and width of Harare. That's how it works. So this is Harare City Council for you. By these simple words, by this simple statement that I've said, or that I've used in this video. Any comments, any thoughts about what is Harare City Council? So we have to start from there. As I continue with the series, as I go on, move forward with the series on Harare City Council in Zimbabwe, Republic of Zimbabwe. Any comments, any thoughts, write or type in the comment section pertaining or in response to what I've said. I'm done talking. See you in the next episode. Sharp and peace out.